are there engineering communities focused on power grid innovation? Exciting developments are happening in the world of electrical engineering. The question on many people's minds is whether there are engineering communities dedicated to power grid innovation. If you are curious about how electricity networks are evolving, you are in the right place. Yes, there are indeed engineering communities and initiatives focused on power grid innovation. These groups are working hard to modernize electricity networks, integrate renewable energy sources, and apply new technologies. The goal is to create grids that are more reliable and efficient. In Canada, the federal government is actively funding projects that bring together utilities, researchers, and technology providers. These collaborations are aimed at testing and deploying smart grid solutions. For instance, Nova Scotia Power Incorporated is demonstrating advanced distribution grid management technologies in Halifax. Meanwhile, St. John Energy Incorporated is modernizing its network in New Brunswick with intelligent grid systems. In Prince Edward Island, Maritime Electric Company Limited is integrating smart grid technology using public cellular networks in Charlottetown. These projects highlight the active collaboration between engineering teams, utilities, and government to drive grid innovation forward. In the United States, grid operators like the California Independent System Operator are piloting the use of generative artificial intelligence to manage power outages. This marks progress toward more automated and responsive grid operations. Engineers, software developers, and utility professionals are working together to tackle challenges like renewable energy integration and increasing demand. Other grid operators in the United States, such as the Pennsylvania, Jersey, Maryland, and Electric Reliability Council of Texas, are also exploring similar modernization efforts. Industry events and organizations serve as hubs for engineering communities focused on grid innovation. For example, the Distributed Energy Technology Conference in California gathers utilities, technology firms, and engineers to share knowledge and showcase new solutions for the power grid. These gatherings provide a platform for discussing trends, challenges, and real-world applications of grid technologies. Globally, publications like Power Engineering International report on grid modernization efforts. They highlight how utilities are adopting digital tools, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to meet future energy needs. These reports often feature case studies and interviews with engineers leading grid innovation projects. Engineering communities focused on power grid innovation exist at various levels, including local utility projects, national research initiatives, industry conferences, and international publications. Their work is driven by the need to integrate renewable energy sources, improve reliability, and prepare grids for future demands. Collaboration between engineers, utilities, technology providers, and policymakers is essential to ensure that innovation is tested, shared, and scaled across the industry.